Solid Education Academy, your trusted learning partner. Today's topic is something super important and honestly quite fun. We're diving into the nature of matter and we'll explore elements, compounds, and mixtures. So let's get started. We see so many things around us: water, air, food, clothes, even your phone or notebook. But have you ever wondered, what are all these things made of? Well, all of them are made of something called matter. So, what exactly is matter? Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. यानी जो चीज़ जगह घेरती है और जिसका वजन होता है, वो मैटर कहलाता है. Your school bag, the juice in your bottle, the air around you, all are forms of matter. Now, here's a question: can we break matter into smaller types based on what it's made of? Yes, we can. And based on its composition, that is, what it's made of, matter is classified into elements, compounds, and mixtures. Let's break this down one by one. And yes, we'll use easy examples along the way. Now, the question is, what is an element? An element is the simplest form of matter that cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical methods. एलिमेंट एक ऐसा पदार्थ है जो एक ही तरह के कणों से बना होता है और उसे और ज़्यादा तोड़ा नहीं जा सकता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सोना. एवरी टाइनी एटम इन गोल्ड इज गोल्ड ओनली. सेम विद ऑक्सीजन, आयरन और हाइड्रोजन. Think of a big jar filled with only red marbles, all same size, same type. That's like an element. There are 118 known elements in the periodic table. Out of these, 92 occur naturally. Now let's move to our next question. What is a compound? A compound is a pure substance made when two or more elements combine chemically in a fixed ratio. Compound तब बनता है जब दो या दो से ज़्यादा एलिमेंट्स तय मात्रा में जुड़ते हैं और बिल्कुल नया पदार्थ बनाते हैं. बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल, वाटर H2O, two hydrogen atoms plus one oxygen atom equals water. Another example, carbon dioxide or CO2, one carbon plus two oxygen atoms. Here's a fun way to imagine it. Think of baking a cake. You mix flour, eggs, sugar. Once baked, it's one final product. You can't separate flour again. Same with a compound. You can't just separate the elements easily. Also, a compound has totally new properties. Hydrogen and oxygen are gases, but when combined, you get liquid water. Moving on. Now the question is, what is a mixture? A mixture is made when two or more substances are mixed physically, not chemically. Mixture तब बनता है जब substances आपस में मिलते हैं, पर chemically combined नहीं होते. Example, namak mixed in pani. You can still taste the salt and you can also separate it using evaporation. Other examples, air, soft drinks, soil, even a bowl of dry fruits. A mixture is like a fruit salad. You mix apple, banana, mango, but each fruit stays as it is. Now let's go a step deeper. There are two main types of mixtures. Homogeneous mixture, where it looks the same throughout, like sugar dissolved in water. Heterogeneous mixture, where you can see the different parts, like oil and water or sand and salt. Quick question for you. How is a compound different from a mixture? A compound has a fixed composition, and its components are chemically bonded. But a mixture has no fixed ratio, and components are just physically mixed. चलो अब एक बार फटाफट recap करते हैं. Element, made of only one kind of atom, like iron, oxygen, copper. Compound, two or more elements chemically joined in a fixed ratio, like water or CO2. Mixture, two or more substances physically mixed, like air or soil. अब कुछ मजेदार क्विज सवाल. Question: is milk an element, compound, or mixture? Answer: milk is a mixture. Question: is gold an element or compound? Answer: gold is an element. Question: can we separate the components of a compound by physical methods? Answer: number. You need chemical methods. Question: Is air homogeneous or heterogeneous? Answer: air is a homogeneous mixture. And that wraps up today's lesson on nature of matter. We hope you understood the differences between elements, compounds and mixtures. अगर वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक ज़रूर करें, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें एविड एजुकेशन एकेडमी को ताकि अगली वीडियो आपसे मिस ना हो जाए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। कीप लर्निंग, कीप ग्रोइंग